Two Filipino fishermen were rescued by the Philippine Coast Guard near Bajo de Masinloc after their boat's engine exploded. Meanwhile, the PCG denied any assistance from the China Coast Guard in this operation. Our Patrick De Jesus reports.
The rescue operation by the Philippine Coast Guard was not easy on two Filipino fishermen who were seriously injured in the explosion of their boat while fishing in the vicinity of Bajo de Masinloc or Panatag Shoal last Saturday. According to the PCG, after receiving a distress call from Filipino fishermen about the incident, the BRP Sindangan, which was conducting maritime patrol at the time, immediately came to the rescue. However, they were allegedly blocked several times by two China Coast Guard ships as well as Chinese maritime militia vessels.
Ang lapit ng Filipino fishing boat is 17 nautical miles. So, from 25 nautical miles when we received the call, ang barko natin went straight directly. However, the Philippine Coast Guard vessel was subjected to harassment, blocking, and dangerous maneuver pa rin ng Chinese Coast Guard and even the Chinese maritime militia. Luckily, there are other Filipino fishermen na tumulong dito sa bangka na nakahab-submerge na to at kinuha nila agad yung dalawang mangingisdang Pilipino na may injury at sila ang naghatid sa atin para mailapit agad sa BRP Sindangan.
Despite the harassments, the fishermen who suffered second-degree burns were still transferred to the BRP Sindangan where they received first aid treatment. This morning, they arrived at the SBMA port in Subic, Zambales with 5 other crew members after the BRP Sindangan towed their fishing boat Akio. The PCG denied China Coast Guard's repeated claim it assisted in the rescue operations. In a video posted on X by a China state-owned tabloid, the China Coast Guard reportedly deployed a rib to assist the fishermen. The PCG called the video propaganda, stating the injured fishermen had already been helped before the CCG arrived.
Nag-abot sila ng life ring, pero ang gusto ko itanong, sino pa bang inaabotan nila ng life ring kung yung dalawang injured na mangingisda ay nandun na sa atin, nasa possession na ng Philippine Coast Guard at ginagamot na natin. At yung mga naiwang mangingisda doon, they really don't intend to leave their vessel. Because their intention really is isalba itong Filipino fishing boat. Kasalukuyang panahon na yon na nag-re-enact sila para makapanloko ng video na yan, wala na sa kanila. Nasa loob na ng BRP Sindangan.
The PCG assured the continuous protection of Filipino fishermen in the West Philippine Sea and the ongoing patrols in Philippine maritime territories and exclusive economic zone.
This is a clear testament of our intention in supporting and protecting the Filipino fishermen's rights dito sa Bajo de Masinloc.
Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.